Well, today was an interesting day. For the, 750th day in a row, I think. It was windier than I care to talk about. But we definitely had a big day today. We had a guy come in with a cat and straighten out some of our yards. So the big dirt pile is gone. And that actually starts looking fantastic. So just got a little bit of seeding to do, and we'll actually have somewhat of a respectable yard site. So that's good. Well, so I'm out here in the south field. It's absolutely gorgeous evening tonight. Just got to do a little bit of fence fixing here. The cows will be coming out from Rio Grande the next day or two, so I want to make sure everything's nice and secure for them. Don't want to be singing that song, "Who let the cows out? Moo, 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 moo." Play guitar on that thing now. Holy man, the mosquitoes are bad out here. I really should have brought some bug spray. Oh well, I guess I'm an all-you-can-eat buffet. Well, looks like this is as far as I'm gonna make it through this field. Just a big swampy area through here. Not gonna take the side-by-side through there. Maybe if I was a bit younger I might have, but I don't have shit for brains anymore, so don't want to get this thing stuck and have to spend the rest of the night actually pulling it out. Man, oh man, the mosquitoes are just nuts out here. Time to get out here and get back on a open pasture where things are a little drier and a few less bugs maybe. See what I see? No dirt pile. These guys made short work of that. Well, you want to talk about exciting news? Come check out the Mouse Miracle Garden. It's amazing. You know what that is? That's potatoes. They've come to surface. I didn't know if anything was going to grow in here, but potatoes will. Well, look at this. There's more over here. One here. One there. There's a couple here. A couple there. So I just got a quick job I got to do on the lawn tractor here. And because it wasn't starting the other day, so I got some parts from everybody's favorite store, Princess Auto. Headed over there, got what we needed, and we're gonna get this thing jerry-rigged up so it runs. Well, I'm no automotive technician, but let's see if this works. Purrs like a kitten. Well, all in all, I'd say that was a pretty fantastic day on the farm. So I'm gonna head inside, fix myself up a cup of tea, maybe find myself a treat. Hope you guys have a fantastic evening. Don't forget to click subscribe down below. We'll see you tomorrow.